We all want to be productive. In fact, you might even wake up in the morning with all kinds of enthusiasm for the projects you're going to get done during the day. But now, fast forward a few hours, and suddenly you're dragging yourself home at night, wondering where the day went, feeling like you never accomplished anything at all. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most people feel this way often, most of the time. The trick is to realize that this isn't something entirely out of your control. Sure, things are going to happen which derail you, but more often than not, you're reaping the fruits of self sabotage. You've derailed yourself through your own negative self talk and thoughts. How to get past this? Simple. Start with these 5 easy steps. For the best strategies and tips on finally experiencing and living life with the least resistance through making the right tweaks to your mindset and daily habits, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get my latest uploads every week. So let's start with number one, listening to music. It's hard to get yourself going if your mood is what's dragging you down. Thankfully, this is a quick fix. Play some music you love, something fast paced and catchy for a quick pick me up and watch your productivity soar. If you weren't aware, music shifts energies very quickly and creates a sort of ambiance. Next time you're in a store or watching a movie, pay close attention to the type of music that's being played and become aware of how you feel and how the environment feels to you. You'll soon realize that music has a major effect on your psyche and emotions. Number two, get up and move. Like listening to music, putting your body in motion will build your energy levels, so long as you're not trying to run a marathon, of course. And will move around the stagnant energy. It'll shift it, it'll move it, and create a better atmosphere and mindset for yourself. Dance around the room, take a brisk walk, or try a few jumping jacks to get the blood flowing. Then tackle your task again, wide awake and energized. Number three, look inward. Conversely, sometimes what you need is some quiet time. Here, you need some time to yourself to find out exactly why your actions aren't matching your words. Is it fear? Does the thing feel daunting or tedious? The majority of the time, I find that self-sabotage happens because of self-confidence issues and or there isn't an immediate reward for doing something. On the other hand, if you find your mind racing and yourself unable to concentrate on what you're doing and why, just stop for a moment. Take a step back and try to meditate to slow things down. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Take deep breaths, nice and slow, and focus yourself on the present until you feel calm again. Number four, reassess what's important. It might be you're not getting things done because you no longer find the value in your goal. If this seems to be the case, take some time to ask yourself some very crucial questions about why you created that goal in the first place. What was the end goal? Did you break it down into smaller action steps and give yourself milestones and deadlines? And finally, did your core values and beliefs align with this goal? It might be you either need to shift your goal to something else entirely, or at the very least, adjust the outcome to serve your present needs. And last but not least, contribute. When all else fails, if you do not feel your work has value, offer to help someone else. Mentoring is one of those win win situations where you bring your life skills and experiences to help someone else who truly needs it. At the same time, you'll probably rediscover your passion through the act of teaching others what you know. This can also help you recognize where you went wrong and what tweaks that need to be made in order for you to succeed the next time around, contingent upon if you choose to retackle that main goal. Do all of this, and it's goodbye self sabotage and hello accomplishment. Soon you'll be more productive than ever. Know that it mainly boils down to really paying attention to your choices and holding fast to who you are deep down inside. Changing your life takes patience, practice, and consistency. So don't beat yourself up if you have a lapse in judgment. Now that you've gotten some new tools under your belt, it's your turn to apply them. If you need more help, you can find me at themoralcompass.com, where I'll provide more tips and tricks to help you on your journey. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the family, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay blessed.